Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and today I'll be telling you why these earphones, the Edifier X3, are a must-buy. Let's begin. And welcome back, guys. My name is Emmanuel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, well, have a seat. You already know where to sit. Now, before I get into this unboxing and a quick review here, a quick disclaimer. Now, this product was sent to me by InterAsia, the distributors for Edifier here in Malaysia, but they did not have a chance to preview any of my thoughts here, and they are seeing this video at exactly the same time you are seeing this video. Now that that has gone out of the way, let's do a quick unboxing. On the front of the box is a X3 true wireless stereo earbuds. On the right side of the box, you can see some of the features such as touch control, 6 to 18 hours of playback time, Bluetooth 5.0 and an IP55 dust and waterproof rating. Going to the back of the box, you can see that it comes in black or white. I have it in black here. Underneath the box, you can see there is a Qualcomm aptX, which means that this supports high fidelity audio. Now, on opening up the box, I see the earphones and the case. Switching behind, and I see some things such as the manual, which, let's be honest, you are never going to read. Replacement ear tips and a micro USB cable. Removing the plastic, and I see the earphones and case in all their full glory. The first thing that stands out to me is just how small the case is. Taking a closer look at the case, and at the top of the case, there is a text that says Edifier there. Going on to the back is a micro USB port for charging. Now, this case is made up of a matte-like plastic and it is quite light. Again, this case is just so small and so cute. I like it so much. Now, if you're wondering if you can open it with one hand, yes, you can. Taking a look inside the case, and you can see markings for both the left and the right earpieces. And as I put the earphones in the case, it starts charging, and there's a tiny LED indicator on the earphones to show this. Taking a look at the earphones themselves, and they have indicators which show which ear they go into. Now, battery here is rated at 6 hours per playback time, or 18 more hours when you put it in the case right here. Now, to charge the case from 0 to 100 takes about 1.5 hours. And I'm putting them on, they didn't fit so well, so I swapped out the default earbuds with smaller ones and they fit perfectly. And on looking at it from the side, they stick out a little bit, but not much. And just due to the design, when you put them in your ear, it actually blocks out noise. Well, this is not active noise cancellation, but it is passive because it's in your ear, so it blocks out outside noise. Pairing the earphones with my phone was as easy as removing it from the case, going to my Bluetooth settings on my device and adding the Edifier X3s. Now, I am no audiophile and I have friends at home, so I asked them to try the Edifier X3s. Thanks to my wonderful friend Roshan and also Ben. And after putting it on for the first time, you can actually see where I go, ooh, because it just sounded so nice.
It was on full volume, yeah, and it's not too overpowering that some earphones have.
All the sounds is just, they really separate, like you can feel the bass from the tenor, from the treble. And
it's so loud. I can hear every distinct piece in the music. And hey, here I am not an audiophile. I'm just a normal person who is listening to his music, and I am blown away. In fact, I had to reduce the volume a little bit. And I would say, yes, sound quality here seems very nice. And also volume. It's not loud that it's going to feel like it's too much or too much loudness. There's gesture support here with a long press for Siri on iOS and Google Assistant on Android. One tap on either earphones for play or pause, double tap for the next track, and finally triple tap for previous track. I would say play pause worked well, but the other ones worked, I would say 5 times out of 10, so it was not really reliable for me. Now, you can use the X3 here with only one ear, but something to take into account is that you can only use the left ear, because when you put the left ear in the case, it actually disconnects, because I think my phone, which is an iOS phone here, connects to the left ear, so something to take note of. Yes, you can use it in one ear mode, but just the left ear. Now, finally, moving on to price. Now here, the X3 retails for only $30 or 129 Malaysian ringgit. And again, I do not know how it is this cheap. For the amount of quality you get for 6 hours, which I think is good enough for most of us, and 18 hours in the case, which is, I think, twice of that 6 hours, or wait, 3 times what you're going to be getting with the 6 hours, if I can do math correctly. I think it's a steal at 129 ringgit, and I most definitely recommend it. I think I'm going to really have fun listening to music and watching videos with this. And, you know, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the in the description, in the comment section. Something seems to have gone on in my brain just now. Below, and a huge shout out to InterAsia for sending this over. Thank you guys. And that has been it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're taking care of yourself in these Corona times. Did you watch the video because of me? Are you interested in buying this, or have you bought this already? Let me know in the comment section down there below as well. And I shall catch you in the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.